Hi, this is Nehru from Revati Equipment Limited. I am representing my company where I am the product manager, product specialist of C650 drill rigs in Revati Equipment Limited. It comes under two methods of drilling. We can prefer Rotary as well as DTH, that is a down the hole drilling machine. And this machine is especially a rotary drilling machine which is capable of drilling 7/8 inch drilling holes, and the mast comes with a height of 9 meter and they can achieve a single pass depth of 9 meter. And we are also supplying the machines for multi-pass capability. It can be extended until 45 meter. Coming to the undergarage, we are using D5 class undergarage, which will be having 3 carrier rollers and 10 bottom rollers. Coming to the cabin will be having the sound level less than 80 decibels, and it is fully insulated, thermally insulated, and we are providing an air conditioner unit, and the cabin controls comes with an electronic joystick control so that the operator can control the cabin via an electronically. Coming to the engine, the machine comes with a C15 engine which will be having 540 HP horsepower with 1800 RPM, and we are giving an option for Cummins also. For Cummins, we are providing KTL 1150 engine with 530 HP horsepower, and for the compressor we have given 1000 CFM compressor at 100 PSI rating for rotary drilling, and also for DTH drilling we prefer 350 PSI compressor with 900 CFM